I hate suspenders that don't suspend. You can tell when she feels really pretty because she doesn't move, so she doesn't anything up.
That's a God gift from Mama Mai.
What's the gift?
Beautiful. That's why you look like me. You're more beautiful. I'm more beautiful than you.
You struggle with getting rid of things.
Don't worry, you're not alone.
My closest friends are coming over, so me and Mama Mai can decide if what they have is trash or treasure. But real talk, the final decision is up to you. Your trash,
My treasure.
welcome to Your Trash, My Treasure, starring...
Mama Mai. Hello, Hunnay.
We have a very, very special episode today with my girl, Marav. Marav is not only my amazing, trustworthy family member here in this household, but also my assistant. Marav takes no. She's a beast when it comes to clearing my life of clutter. Wondering why this is still sitting here, but we're working on that.
I'm sure.
How's it been your first few months of working with me?
It's been really, really fun and nice, especially, you know, the full package.
See?
I get to be surrounded by positive and fun energy.
Tell me something that's challenging in working with me, our family.
Keeping myself not sweaty.
What?
Sometimes I get really, I feel like I'm running around a lot.
But you sweat, that's natural.
Sometimes I feel like I come into your dressing room, for example, with the reel, and I just look like I was hit by a truck and just sometimes it shows. But as I was talking to a friend recently about it, I was saying, you know, my new job is really great because I'm constantly challenged and stimulated. And they said, oh, that's good because otherwise you'd be bored.
This is true. If she sits idle, she starts getting restless, and I see her looking for things to do. So random things will get polished.
Or thrown away.
Mom, why do you love Marav?
I love because she look like a punk rock or rock and rolls. Okay, that's why I
Okay.
like it. And then she work hard for the money, run up and down, left and right, whatever. She don't even know. That's why she sweat, but
Yes.
she doesn't smell at all. That's really good.
I
Yeah,
appreciate
like
that.
it.
I know it's a lot of work, but are you doing okay? Are you like,
Yeah, definitely.
do you like your job?
I love my
Say
job.
something positive, lifted.
I love my job.
Are you sure? You don't look smile.
No,
I
I
love
do.
my job. You do like this. I love my
You're mean. I'm
Pretty
not.
much. Yeah, I know you are.
The first thing people always ask me when they hear that, you know, I work for somebody in television, is she a monster? Always. That's the first thing. And I say, yeah, no. I say, actually, no. Really, really lucky. Like, you're not a monster.
I'm waiting for the compliment.
You care about your team members and the people around you, myself included, about checking in and about making sure that, you know, even when you're giving me a lot of things
She's
to
just
do,
me.
you're always checking in also with me. You're not just pummeling me and not saying, are you doing okay?
She
Thank
care for
you.
you too. That's
Yes, I appreciate all the help I have in my life. When you're helpful, it's also helpful. When you're not, it's a dead weight.
I do. I will cook for her so she have energy to run around for you. Me and her, even we are the same room, but we text each other. Mom, don't talk to me. Mom, don't talk to me. I'll talk to you later. But she never.
'Cause
talk
I have
to
a
me.
running train
so
of
I
thought.
have to text her all the time, so I know how you feel. You run like a horse when you work for her.
So, trash or treasure, the concept of this is we show you our questionables and you tell us if you think it's trash or treasure. Let us begin. I am very proud of this hat. Oh my God, that's hella, guys, this is cute. Applaud if you like this hat. Applaud right now. Thank you. It's also cute from the back, like me. Applaud. Thank you, Motoko. Thank you. Mario, you could clap louder. Trash or treasure?
I like to borrow this one to go funeral. I need that.
Whose funeral?
My friend, her mom passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's why I have to go. I borrow that hat.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Why not?
No, I'm sorry. I feel bad for your loss.
I thought you would let me borrow the hat. I want to
Okay,
wear
so
that.
you say treasure. Marav? Speak up!
I'm just saying, you don't wear it, so yeah,
I wear
it's
it.
trash. Maybe
I wear it. I wear it.
I think it's so cute.
That's
I really
really
do.
cute.
But that's the thing. Just because something looks cute on you doesn't mean.
I think this is
wear
a
it.
keeper. This is a Sunday at church. I'm feeling the Holy Spirit. This is a keeper. Treasure.
Treasure.
Trash.
trash.
Next.
She's American, that's why.
So this is a lamp. I honestly got it on sale. It was a lamp I had from my first apartment in LA.
You just got lipstick on it.
I don't think we. Oh,
Definitely trash.
No, it's not trash. Why?
I don't
This
care
is
if we get
terrible.
rid of this or not. I just feel bad because it still works.
I take it.
Oh, see?
yeah.
Oh, Matoko. I like that, knowing it can be given to somebody else.
Yeah, we'll give it to somebody else.
Okay,
yeah.
so trash or treasure? Trash for Matoko.
I don't know what is it. Leave it there.
is
Don't lose it, don't lose it. No. No, it's not trash. That's very beautiful.
As you can see, you never know what can happen because your trash
that's
or
very
treasure could
beautiful.
be someone's treasure. You never know what can happen because your trash could turn into someone's treasure.
Put it out on the floor. You
So,
like it? Yeah,
Rob,
go
your
ahead.
turn.
So this has been sitting in my car for a while because I don't know what to do with it. It's called a book, and I actually bought it because
It's not a book.
It's an album.
It's not a real book.
let me talk. So inside of it, it's a carrying case.
Oh.
There's things inside of it. Oh, this is my personal dictionary.
Oh.
That's
my God.
really embarrassing.
Wait, this is really cute. Recapitulant, trestle, opaline.
Opaline.
What's that mean?
I don't know. That's why they're written there because I need to look them up. This is really embarrassing.
No, this is actually really cute. Portentous.
Oh, see, I started
momentous,
defining.
Vocabulary.
irredeemable, endangered.
Curvetting. To leap or frisk, referring to a horse.
You have a beautiful handwriting, but I don't understand.
I need more words.
Well, here you
Let's
can borrow
add this
some.
to our work. Let's learn a new word a day.
Treasure.
This is trash.
Treasure.
This is gross.
Treasure.
Okay,
You don't also
treasure.
need to hide your laptop anymore.
You don't even know why it's gross.
This is antique.
It's gross.
This is cat barf stain.
Gomen oil.
Oh my gosh.
I was gonna
Next.
sell it. I have these really cute shoes, but they broke.
Oh my God.
I want to fix them, and I was wearing them when I broke them.
Those are
Shut up.
atrocious.
They're Guess made in Italy.
Oh my
Oh,
God, they're
Italy.
really, no, they're so blocky and wide, they make your feet look like squares.
These are a testament to the 90s.
I promise I can already hear those. When you walk, you sound like you're galloping. Like,
Curvetting. Well, clearly I stomped too hard because it snapped.
I say trash. We don't even have to talk further about it. They make your feet look like blocks. They don't even have an arch.
No, but if you like it, I can go to Vietnam and fix it more cheaper.
Why would you
There
fly
we
to
go.
Vietnam to fix a shoe,
Because
Mom?
I bring clothes in
A
Vietnam.
15-hour flight. You're gonna bring those to get them fixed to then carry them back.
Because they're treasure.
The treasure. That's why.
Trash.
That's a nice one.
The reason why these are questionable is because I feel like I'm a teenager on Tumblr when I wear them.
Oh, that's cute. That's look good on you, like a Batman.
Why would
Yeah.
you get rid of them?
Catwoman.
Because I don't know that my face is crooked.
No, that look good on you. Look more.
Actually,
I
I
don't
just-
think it's
I
crooked.
just wanted to feel good about myself. That's why I decided to show them.
No, that's beautiful.
Thank you,
I
everyone.
think they're really nice. Your hairline is crooked though.
No, it's definitely my ears.
Is it your ears or your hairline? It might be your eyebrows.
It might be all three.
What else do you have?
I have this really fun wig. You know, my hair is blonde, and maybe I wanted to try on to have black hair. It's a mullet. It's Rambo. Especially with these glasses, I'm sort of thinking this might be a good time to see if it's a good look.
Please do.
This guy have a cross eyes.
Who?
A Rambo.
Mom, that's the model.
But model, but have a cross eyes.
Let me see.
He does.
He does have a cross
Yeah,
eye.
that's cute. That's cute.
Does he have a cross eye?
Yeah. Let me see.
Don't laugh.
You look like a grandma. You look like a grandma a little bit.
Let me
You know
see.
the show Grandma? The Grandma show?
Mama's Family.
Yes. Okay.
That does look good.
It's a little Pat Benatar.
Oh my gosh.
That's nice.
There's something in it though.
Yeah.
A brain. I absolutely think it's amazing.
No, that look nice.
I think it's hot.
Nice.
Go, Mom.
I look like a Rambo. What do I look like?
Oh my God, that totally changed her.
What do I look like?
Ew, Mom.
Yeah, speaking of the grandma show.
What is it? What do I look like? Look ugly or beautiful? Young?
You actually look like women your age. I'm not saying that's bad or good. I'm just saying you look like women your age. I say trash.
Trash.
Jeannie, I have to get serious with you.
What?
You have a problem.
Of which one?
Yeah, I've been trying to help her get rid of things, and there's been some resistance. She's more like her mother than she wants to admit. We're actually going to shift from my things back to your things.
What happened?
What did she have back there?
Oh!
What the hell is this?
You gotta be kidding. Are you kidding me?
I love this. I love this. We're not getting rid of this. Are you kidding me? No, never, never, never. I
It's
love
made
this.
out of real
Okay.
chicken feathers.
No. Okay, I don't care what anybody says. You can laugh. Go ahead, get your laughs out. Are you done? Are you done? Okay. Now listen up, folks. I bought this at a cultural sale. I don't know what that means, but it was things from different cultures. I think it's unique. I think it adds flavor to the house. I think it is a talking point. Treasure. There's no way I'm getting rid of
Let me
this.
see. You know what when you do? On Halloween, we can be like a hat. Put on my hat. Okay? Like that. Okay? That's beautiful.
I can't believe this show is still on.
This is
I say treasure. There's no way this is trash. If you say it's trash,
You don't like it? Honestly?
it might look good on a wall, but
Yeah,
this
look good on the
doesn't
wall.
match your house.
You know what? You can buy the clock you put over here. The clock and you glue over here and you put it in the wall, become the clock. And they have this one, you know. It's beautiful. The small clock in here.
Mama MacGyver.
Make it look nice. Treasure. Treasure. Treasure.
did you bring a gift for Marav so that
I
we
have
can
a...
take?
Yes.
Oh, you did.
I have a gift for you.
Okay, explain your gift and what was your budget.
I think like $199.
Okay, we didn't have to tell her the actual price of the
Thank
item,
you.
but maybe tell her the budget.
What
Was
you mean
the budget-
That's $199.
What does budget mean, Mom?
The cost of money.
No, the budget is how much you had to spend.
$3, but I spent $199. That's good already. In case you don't like it, I can throw it away.
So why did you buy this for Marav? Tell me the meaning.
No. Open it. You will love it.
Did the paper cost more than the present?
No.
Wouldn't want you breaking your budget.
Thank you. You understand, Mama Mai.
How to make it as a Hollywood assistant. It's all your fault.
Yes. See? You're going to work for me after you finish this book. I give you a promotion to work for Mama Mai.
Wait.
I want to see some tips.
Wait. This chapter is called It's Not Just a Job, It's an Adventure in Codependency. What does it really take to dive into this world, you ask? Well, if you are the child of divorced parents, I was, and had to take care of one or both of them, then you are well prepared for this job. If you tend toward abusive relationships, a bonus. You have daddy-pleasing issues? You're hired. Draw on whatever childhood trauma you've suffered in order to dredge up the emotional juice it takes to handle this job. The relationship between a boss and his or her assistant is emotionally destructive. You trade in your life for theirs. You live to make their life livable. Thanks, Mama Mai.
Thank you. You are
don't
considered like a Bible.
Where's
Tell me
the
something
line?
I don't know. Oh, also this was $2.99.
Well, it's on sale. Oh my God, I feel so itchy.
Oh.
Thank you for watching Your Trash, My Treasure. Don't forget to comment below.
Bye.